adia kina gamni na ciang tong hinsa ta te pen nule pate na itate Mangpau ong thei lo ding sang na ei pau khong ong thei me lowa ong zan no lo kha thing pen patawai sa zoi tua kong la ding video tom no pen pasien ong piak pa kim mong hina kum thum ma ba lo pani sangka nai lo kum thum hoi pani na abc malte idot bang bang again te jaw jaw na 1 2 3 te again te jaw jaw na chi te en le ham pen sangka na hello khat le ina zong akisin pi chi jai khol lo na ama I jang na mu na pan a thi pol khat to tom chi tang lang no ngai mo lung na me tom chi khat na ne sa la chen mo. Okay, now I'm going to ask you some alphabets. Let's see whether you can name or whether you can recognize some now. Okay, can you tell me what letter is this one?
A.
This one?
B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. M. N. O. P.
What is this one?
Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X.
Where's Y and Z? Here. Yeah. What is this one?
Y.
Sir?
C.
Okay. What is that?
A. Apple.
A. Apple. Then B for what?
Banana.
Banana. C for what?
Carrot.
Carrot. Okay.
D is for dog.
Wow, nice. Next.
E is for egg. F
Okay.
is for fish. G is for grapes.
Okay.
H is for house.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to interview you.
On the hold on.
I'm going to ask you whether you can recognize this one. Okay, here. Show me E.
E.
Where's E? The letter E.
F.
E. Okay.
F.
Show me B. Where's B? B.
B.
B. Okay, good boy.
This is B.
Wait. Show me F. Where's F?
And
F.
this F.
F. Okay.
F.
Show me D. Where's the D?
This D.
D. Okay.
Hey, I got an A.
Now you can read here. Next by next you can hear. Okay, read from here.
F. G.
What is this?
G. A.
A. What is this?
B.
Hmm?
A. C. D. E. L. G. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. A. B. C.
Wow, so nice. Let's give you a high five.
Let's try again.
Give me a. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, now we are going to read numbers. Okay? Do you want to read? Okay, what number is this one?
I.
Huh?
I.
1.
1,
This one?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, 10. Okay, what number is this one?
5,
What number is this one?
7,
What number is this one?
3,
Okay, what number is one?
5,
What number is this one?
8,
Okay, what number is this one?
9,
What number is this?
10,
What number is this?
3,
What number is this?
4,
What number is?
6,
What number is this?
8,
What number is this?
10.
Have you learned one more time?
10.
Okay. Okay, are you ready, Kimu? Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. What letter is this one? M. M for
M for
M for.
mouth.
Okay. You don't know. What is this? What letter is this?
O for
O for
onion.
onion. What letter is this one?
K.
K.
Key.
Okay, show me number 7. Where's number 7?
7.
Okay, number 9. 9.
9.
9. Where's 9?
9.
Number 5.
5.
Yes. Who's 5?
The 5.
Okay, good boy. Okay, mo. Okay, yan na. No. Okay, ito na. Kimong ito ka Manglai tendong ni mo. Bakit ito yan karena what is this?
Go.
Okay, what is this one?
Ice.
Okay, what is this?
Grapes.
Grape. Okay, what is this?
Mouse.
Wow. What is this?
Ladybug.
Oh, ladybird. Okay. What is this one?
Spider.
Spider. What is this one?
Silent phone.
Telephone. What is this?
Food.
Jew. Okay, this one. What is this one?
Violin.
Violin. What is this one?
Ant.
Ant. Okay, this one?
Ball.
Ball. Okay. What is this?
Apple.
Okay, what is this one?
Lamp.
Leaf. Okay.
Leaf.
What is this one?
Carrot.
Carrot. Okay, good.
Carrot.
What is this one? What color is this one? What color?
Pink.
Pink. Okay. What color is this one?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Tell me what color is this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is this one?
Red.
Red. What color is this one?
Purple.
Purple. Okay. This one. What is this one?
Clock.
Oh. Okay.
It's 2, 1. 1.
Then the color. Okay. What are the color? What color is this one?
Orange.
Orange. What color is this one?
Purple.
Purple. What color is this one?
Violet. Violet.
What color is this one?
Green.
Green. What color is this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. What is this?
Donut.
Donut. Okay, what is this?
A is for apple.
Apple. What is this?
French fry.
Okay, tell me again. What is this?
French fry.
Okay. What is this?
Hammer.
Okay. What is this?
Jelly.
Wow. What is this?
Key.
Key. Okay. What is this?
Shoe.
Shoes. What
Shoe.
is this?
Wallet.
What is this? Here.
Zebra.
Okay. What is this one?
Ball.
Can you stop it? What is this one?
Apple.
Oh. Good. Tila.
Good.